Welcome to the lecture series of phrasal verb letter B. Back away from. He refused to back away from his plan. Back off. She saw his knife and back off. Bang about or round. I heard him banging about in the house last night. Get behind with. I do not want to get behind with my work. Bear down on. The teacher bear down on the student. Bear on or upon. These facts may bear on the case. Bear out. Ali will bear out what I say. Bear up. It is inspiring to see them bearing up so well. Bear with. I cannot bear with my enemy. Belong to. Salim belonged to a noble family. Thank you for listening. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more videos.